Gwenllian Beynon, and I'm one of the members of the Friends Committee, and I've been one of the selectors of the Friends Award this year at Swansea Open.
And I'm Melvyn Williams, and all that is also true of me.
So we've deliberated over a couple of days about the winner of the award, and we've decided to give the Friends Award to Gareth Bly, and it's called Look at My Hands. And you know, if you look at this piece of work, there's humour in it, and it's beautifully painted. It is absolutely immaculate, really, with all the brush strokes and everything, and the colours are so vibrant, and there's something evocative, really, of the past and of other cultures in the work, which I think is really interesting.
Yeah, I like everything about it. It's very colourful, it's fun, it's full of strange creatures. I've got no idea what they are, with mad eyes. And yeah, mostly it's a bit of fun. It doesn't take itself too seriously. And it's full of joy.
So, just off hwn Llongyfarchiadau Gareth Bly am ennill y Gwobr Gwobr y Cyfeillion y Glynn Vivian, so Llongyfarchiadau mawr iddo fe.